Hello. Bible verse reflection, English version, James 1 verse 5. If any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you. The reflection is, when facing difficult decisions or navigating life's uncertainties, you don't have to figure everything out on your own. God invites you to ask for guidance freely, promising clarity and insight without judgment. So, whenever you have problems in life, when you need strength, wisdom, the ability to overcome something in your life, you should ask God, pray to God, and He will give you the answers that you need. But not at the right not this instant, or not right away. It will come if He sees that you are doing something about it. It's like a quest. You won't finish. You won't finish and get the rewards if you won't do the requirements, or the needed necessities for that quest. But it is guaranteed that every reward is awaiting. When we seek help to Him, the answers are already there. In every problem, God has already the solution for everything. All you have to do is ask Him, believe in Him, and yeah, it's all, our Christian faith is always teaching us that you should not do things on your own. You should have someone by your side, and that is God, that is Jesus Christ. You're not alone in this battle, and He is the greatest ally you can ever have. No human can ever help you overcome whatever it is that you have in life. They can only be a supporting character. They can only give you advices, but they cannot decide for you. They cannot live that life for you. Uh, it's not like passing the controller. You know what I mean? When you can't play something, when you can't play the game, pass the controller is not, life is not the same with that. You should finish what you've started. So when you live this life, you have to finish it fruitfully, according to Him. Whatever situation you are in, you can overcome it. It depends on you. Okay? Ask to God humbly, and He will give you the answers. He will give you the solutions. He will answer your prayers. He will give you the blessings that you deserve. Even those that you don't deserve, He will give you everything. In His love, by grace, His care, everything. Unconditional love, everlasting love, He will give it to you. Just trust in Him. So, that's all. Use social media in the right way. Know Jesus Christ even more, and let's gather lost souls, especially those who are shying away from the Lord. God bless.